Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So now in this tutorial number 2, we are going to work around, I guess it is tutorial 3. First was setup, second was sending LinkedIn connection, and now second was scraping LinkedIn leads, and now third is gonna be sending now connection request to these LinkedIn profiles that we scraped in tutorial number 2. So what we will do, we will just add manual trigger. You can basically add schedule trigger as well, but for now I am going to add manual trigger, and then I'm gonna add sheet node. And yeah, I basically need all the rows, get rows. And before getting rows, let's create 2 more columns. Send connection request. Okay, so it will be either true or false. Okay, and is connection accepted or connection accepted. Okay, it will be also either true or false. Okay, send connection request and connection accepted. So yeah, we will be needing these columns for future integration. And yeah, I'm gonna select the LinkedIn automation sheet, and from LinkedIn automation sheet I'm gonna get LinkedIn profiles. Yeah, I need all the profiles. And yeah, now I am gonna add filter all those profiles whom connection request sent is false, or we can add, yeah, false is fine, seems fine. You can also add another condition, that is or. Okay, it should be either false or empty, because initially it will be empty. Okay, so yeah, we will be needing all those rows whose send connection requests is either false or empty. Okay, so I'm going to save it, and let's what we are going to, we are getting 10 items. You can see, means all profiles have not been still sent any connection requests just by my profile. So yeah, and next, now I am gonna add loop. And in loop, what I'm going to do, I need 1 item per execution. I'm going to delete this. I'm going to also delete this. So here I will be needing browser for LinkedIn connection. So here yeah, in this tutorial we will send a LinkedIn connection invite. Okay, so we will be sending LinkedIn connection invite, and then beside this we will also be updating sheet, Google Sheets, and append or update sheet. And from sheet we are gonna get LinkedIn profiles, and from LinkedIn profiles, yeah, LinkedIn profiles. And yeah, here column to match, it should be based on LinkedIn profile URL, and yeah, we will provide it URL. For now, let's it, yeah, so that it should be a loop. Let's add 5-second wait here for now, just to execute this loop. So yeah, it will get 1 profile, it will send connection, it will update or append sheet, then again it will go through this loop, go through. Once it will be done, yeah, it will execute rest of the nodes from this done node. Okay, so what will be updated inside sheet, we will be updating this column, basically connection send connection request. Okay, so yeah, after this, so let's proceed further. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna execute just this loop for now. Okay, so just a minute, let me disconnect it first. and let me disconnect it for now. I want to basically execute this loop. Yeah, it is working, and now I'm again connecting it back. Okay, so we will be providing URL in LinkedIn URL field whom connection request will be sent, and once connection request will be sent, we will be updating the append sheet. Okay, so for now I am not getting any fields here, so I will need to execute previous folder first. So yeah, we don't need these columns, we need to delete these columns. Yeah, we will just update this column which is send request connection, we'll make it true. Okay, and LinkedIn profile URL using to match. Yeah, we will need to provide profile here, and to do that we'll need to execute this. And yeah, if there will be any error, we don't want to stop this, we want to continue and pass that error. Save it, let's execute it once. So the first URL, let me show you, is this one. Yeah, you can see still connect request is not being sent. Okay, but let's do the automation, its work, and then we will be able to see that connection request has been sent to this profile. Yeah, just wait. Okay, let me refresh it and see if connection request. Yeah, you can see it is pending now. Connection request has been sent successfully. So yeah, now here I will provide what I will provide. I will provide this LinkedIn URL to match from this sheet node. I don't know why previously I was not able to see this, but after executing previous node I am able to see now all these nodes and their inputs. So yeah, I don't need to add anything else. In this workflow we are just going to send connection requests to all the scrap profiles. So I am just gonna run it. Yeah, it will be executed again. So connection request to this profile has been already sent, so it will just ignore that. Okay, and it will pass it, and it will continue to on rest of the profiles. Okay, so guys, yeah, let it run. It will take some time to complete the process. Until that, I am gonna show you my Skool community, which if you want to join, you will find link in description. And Skool community, we basically share the learnings or ideas related to the AI agents automation, no code, as well as code solutions using LangGraph and LangChain. You will find complete roadmaps related to the AI and n8n automation, a lot of things. I'm running basically my own agency, DataLinkk. So we are here right now, we are 99 members here, but we want more members. This is free, you can join it and you will be able to learn a lot of things here with us and share your learnings with us as well. Let's see, our workflow automation is working. True, you can see 2 people have been sent a connection request. So let's see second profile. It is this. Who is the guy? Yeah, CEO. And in last n8n automation of this course, we will send them messages for job proposal, like, yeah, and we will be having some fun. And that will be also an automated workflow. We will not do manual work. Yeah, it is taking time. Hi guys, so execution is successful. You can see it is successful. It is sent all it has sent the connection requests to all the 10 profiles that we scraped in last workflow. Yeah, you can basically scrape more pages. I just scraped it to give to make this course or tutorials a quick one. So yeah, just let's have a verification if the connection request has been sent or not in actual. I'm just going to open the random one. You can see the pending connection request has been sent. Let's check last one, and yeah, you can see the connection request has been sent.